So today we are going to start our the directives. Whatever the directives we have studied as part of the last session, we are going to start the one of the directives of JSP, that is import directives. Okay. So how we are going to work with the import directives, that we are going to see as part of today's video. Okay. So for that, how what I am going to do here is, like, I have created the folder structure, the web app. So inside the package com.prakasa IT, I'm going to create one class, Java class, right? Class name is calculator. Calculator. Calculator is the class I have created. Calculator is having one method. Okay. Public return type is int, and the method is all about to calculate. Okay. Calculate, and what it will take, it will take one argument int a comma int b. It will take two argument, and the return, it will return the sum of the arguments a plus b. So calculator class is having one calculator method which will perform the addition of the two numbers. Okay, so that is the things. Okay, so now if you go to the index.jsp, so it is the here name it as calculator app. We are developing calculator app. Okay, so inside that, what I'm going to do here is, like, what is the things I want to do. We want to find the sum. Okay, sum of number 10 and 20. This is the sum we want to find. Okay, so what I will do, I will write the Java code here. Okay, which will find the sum. So so scriptlet tag I will use here, scriptlet tag, and I'll close that scriptlet tag, and inside the scriptlet tag I'll write the Java code. Okay, Java code is nothing but I will create the object of the calculator class. Calculator uh, calc is equals to new calculator. This is the object I have created. How we are creating the object of a class, the same way I have created the object of the class, and now I'm going to call the method. Okay, calc dot calculate. Okay, calculate, and here I will pass 10 comma 20. This is a simple method I have taken. I just took here the simple method, so I'll store the result in a uh, result. Okay, this is the simple code I have written here. What I can do, I can do out.println to store to display the response in the into the browser. Okay, so but instead of what I am doing, instead of writing out.println, I will use the expression tag. Okay, expression tag starts with this one, and close with close with angular, and expression is nothing but equals. Okay, equals, and simply response, it will directly write to the uh, response response stream, right? So we no need to write the explicit out.println. So that is why I have taken this one. Okay, whatever the result I am getting out of this scriptlet tag, that I am directly printing. Okay, that is fine. Up to this is fine. Okay, let me run this JSP file. Okay, JSP, and here if I go JSP and directives import. Okay, and I will run this. Okay, let the intentionally what I have done, I have I have started the server. So what I will do, I will take the context path and try to run that, and directly I will give the index.jsp. Okay, index.jsp. Just see what issue we got. 500 error, internal server error. What is the exception we are getting? Just closely look. Unable to compile the class JSP on okay, calculator, an error occurred line number 6, JSP file index.jsp. Calculator cannot be resolved to a type. Okay, so whatever the calculator inside the JSP line number 6, whatever the object we have created, This line in the JSP file, it is not finding the calculator class. That is the issue here. Okay, so intentionally I have not included that. Okay, only the object I have created to show you what is the importance of import directives. Okay, so here if you are like creating the object of another class, then what you are doing inside the outside the package, then that class you need to include. Include means that class you need to import. But here inside the JSP, how we can import that? Okay, so for import, what we have to do? We have to, I have already told the syntax. This is at the rate, and this is the page directive page. This is for the complete page, and this is the directive. And what is the attribute? Attribute is import. Attribute is import is equals to double quote, and inside that what I am going to write, com dot prakash it dot calculator, right? Calculator. Okay, this is the calculator class. This is inside com dot prakash it dot calculator. This is the class. Okay, and for ending, what I'll do close this one. This import I have closed. This class I have imported, right, inside the JSP. This is the syntax to import one Java class. Okay, inside the JSP file. Okay, so now if I go to the browser and if I refresh this browser, now you will get the answer. Sum of number 10 and 20 is 30. Okay, we got the output. So what you understood here is like how to use the directive import inside the JSP file. Okay, this is the first directives we have learned as part of the um page directives. Okay, and in the this that's all for this video. In the upcoming video, I will come up with a new directives. Okay, I will see multiple directives are there, so we'll study one after another. Okay, that's all. Thank you.